Hi folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix the glfw error 6552, let's look at some options. Now basically this is a graphics card driver problem. So the first option would be is to look for open32.dll. So we need to look for this in any search engine and we need to download the file. Now once that is downloaded, we'll need to open the file, double click on the .dll file and it will automatically install. Now, if that doesn't work, then a second option would be is to update your graphics card drivers. Now, how we do that is we right click on start, look for device manager, and we look for our display adapters. Now, this runs on an AMD Radeon, so this is the graphics card driver. We right click and we update the driver. Now, the third option, if this doesn't work, is to reinstall the graphics card. Now we do that by again going to device manager. We look for display adapters, right click, and we will uninstall the driver first. Now after we uninstall this, we will again open the same panel and we'll select this option, scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall your graphics card drivers and the error should resolve on its own. Now, even if this doesn't work, then we need to run an SFC scan. We do that by going to the command prompt, right clicking, run as administrator, and we type the command sfc space / scan now, SCANNOW, and press enter. This should solve the problem. Finally, if none of these options work, then we need to restore the system. So we go to system recovery. We look for system recovery, and open system restore. And we'll look for the best point, press next, and it should resolve the problem. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.